Welcome to the tutorial overview on how to add administrators and stakeholders into RFP Plus. Depending on the industry you are in and how many RFPs you deal with on a regular basis, you may have the need to provide access for other administrators or managers into your RFP system. You may also be held accountable to stakeholders or decision makers and have the need to provide updates and added visibility into a project you are working on. Adding these other administrators or stakeholders can be done from the same place. From your admin dashboard, navigate to the Users section. From here, you will be able to see any administrators or stakeholders that already exist in your database. To add someone new, you need only select the Add User button here. There will be a checkbox to indicate someone as a stakeholder, otherwise they will default to being an administrator only. Administrators and stakeholders have the same permissions and capabilities in RFP Plus. Having the stakeholder designation allows admins to send separate updates while they are working on a project to provide added visibility to the decision makers within a company. While adding them into the database, there is also an option to send them a welcome email, which provides them with the link they will need to create their password and log into the system. This message can be sent later on by finding them in the User section and manually selecting to send a welcome message. Also from the User section is the ability to remove an admin or stakeholder. To remove an administrator or stakeholder, simply find them in the User section and click on the three dots, and then select Remove User. This concludes the tutorial overview on how to add administrators and stakeholders into RFP Plus.